Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see recently watched videos on YouTube. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to see your recently watched videos on YouTube is go ahead and open the YouTube application. Once you open the YouTube application, locate and click on the U button at the bottom right. Then click on settings at the top right. On the settings page, locate and click on manage all history. Now hang on for your YouTube watch history to open. The watch history include watch history, interactions, and then like. Now to see all your watch history, scroll down, then you should see your history for the day. If you want to see your watch history for past weeks, you need to scroll down like this to have access to all your watch history, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to view or see recently watched videos on YouTube. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.